Hi, I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, we are going to be doing something super new to the channel. We are going to be sublimating mugs. I have been wanting to do this since I bought a Sublimation Printer. I had just been waiting to buy a mug press. So this is the Heat Press Nation Signature Series fully automatic mug press. This is the 11 ounce mug press. They do have a new like 4-in-1 and I think like 8-in-1 or like a multiple size one coming out. It's available for pre-order. I'll link it below, but I couldn't wait. I had to buy this one because I'm ready to do some mugs for Christmas items for my Etsy shop. It can be converted to 15 ounce, but most of the mugs I want to buy are 11 ounces right now, and then I may buy the one that can do tumblers and big mugs and that sort of thing. So what we're going to use today, we are going to be using some Subli-Craft 11 ounce sublimation mugs, both from Heat Press Nation. I'll link them below. And we're going to be using our Sawgrass SG-1000 printer and our Text Print R paper. Alright, let's get some designs printed. I worked on those earlier. I just used a template and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be doing 4 different mugs. So I have in my material, I know my ring light is messing it up, but I have it set to a ceramic mug as the substrate. I have print quality is high, and then the layout, I fit 4 on a page. So I'm hoping that works. So I have all those on there. They're all around the same. So you can go in and customize. So this is really nice. I want to make this one a little bigger. So I want to make the height of this one bigger. So I'm just changing everything to make sure it's the right height that I want, and then we'll get to printing. Okay, so we have our mugs ready. We have our designs printed. So I was able to fit 4 on this 11 by 17 paper. Oh, what am I doing that for? Y'all, who knew a little chintzy paper cutter would make all my dreams come true? Okay, so I'm just going through and cutting my stuff. Ooh! Could have been bad. Oh, that definitely was not the right cut. Oh well. Okay, so we have a teacher mug, and then I'm doing some logo mugs. Okay, so I'm gonna wait to turn on my heat press because I've heard they heat up super quick and then you have to put your stuff in. So I am going to go ahead and prep all of my mugs with, I've got some heat transfer tape, and we're gonna put the designs on them and then get them ready to press. All right. Probably should take an alcohol wipe to them, but okay, so I trimmed this one. So that's gonna go all the way around. I'm not playing any games. I'm gonna try a full mug, and then I'm gonna trim it, make sure it fits, and so I'll speed it up while I'm putting the tape and getting all the mugs ready. So I didn't really know what I was doing when I was designing, but definitely you want to make sure they're little. Finding your sweet spot on where to place is going to be key. And so the pre-made one I did is working really well. The ones I did by myself, I feel like I need to figure out my placement. That one's almost good. Almost there, but we need some work. I'm just kind of going through and making my own thing. Once I figure out the perfect placement, next time I'll just make sure I save that in Canva. But for now, I'm just gonna eyeball it like I do everything else. All right, there's the front. I'm just gonna do the back. Okay, so we have all of our mugs taped and ready to go. From what I've seen, you don't use butcher paper, which I'm a little, I don't know, but I guess you don't have to use it. So we're gonna set our press for 385 for 190 seconds per mug. And so I was just looking through the booklet. And so we're just gonna turn the machine on, hit OK. It's already set to 190 seconds. Okay, let's get it started. Okay, so it's already up to pressure, or already up. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm a little nervous, a little excited. 383, I think it was supposed to be at 380, but that's what I got. Okay, all right, here we go. Okay, so we put the mug in. Woo! All right, and it's gonna, I was not expecting that. And it's gonna heat for 190 seconds. Let's see, it's gonna pop open when it's ready. And then I'm not sure if it's hot. It's not that hot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. And now on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is this one. Once it feels that, it'll close. Auto pressure, 190 seconds. I'm gonna keep it going and then we're gonna peel it. Probably let it cool off so you don't burn yourself. So I will keep recording as I'm going. So I am just letting these cool while these are running, and hopefully when the time this one is up, we can start peeling and seeing how they look. I'm so curious to see. Again, I just kind of winged it, and I think that's how you learn sometimes. I watch a few videos and then you actually have to try it and find out what works best for you. So we've got a minute or 100 seconds left. All right, and we're gonna make sure we turn it off. I think it's super crucial. It says, do not leave it on when you're not sublimating. Okay, but let's do this, guys. Let's see if I did it right, and then we'll learn from our mistakes if I did it wrong. Okay, so I definitely would recommend getting a glove if you, because these still are very, very, very hot. I'm just gonna peel all the tape off so that way I can do a nice clean sweep. Probably shouldn't have stuck tape in here, and you'll find your best processes once you start doing them, but you gotta try. There's that one. Oh my gosh, I put so much tape on this one. Okay, you ready? Moment of truth. Okay. Oh, guys. So someone commented on my videos, you're so excited. Yes, I'm excited because it's like magic. Every time I do sublimation, I'm like a little kid because I can't believe it works. This is so cool, guys. All right, let's see this one. How cute are those? Look at that. How gorgeous did that sublimate? Oh my goodness. I am so excited. All right, are you ready to see the rest? Oh, this one's still hot. Okay, so I've let it cool a bit. It's still a little warm, so I recommend letting it cool completely, but I really need to see how it looks because I'm curious. Okay, so this was the full, like full color almost, full mug. I hope I got it straight. It's like a teacher mug. So let's see how it looks. Are you ready? Let me do it this way. Guys. Oh, I have a little bleed here. Maybe that's because I didn't, I peeled it too soon or something. Look at that! I mean, this is just blows my mind. Okay, let's do one more. Let's see. This one's cooled, so I wonder if you have to let it cool. Let me know in the comments below, do you sublimate mugs? Do you let them cool all the way before you peel them? That's probably what you're supposed to do, but I can't wait. I have to see. It's like a kid opening presents on Christmas. Okay. Look at those colors! Oh my gosh. I am so excited. So let me know in the comments below, are you gonna start sublimating drinkware, mugware? I plan on adding a whole like business branding package to my shop so I can offer you know, drinkware, not only embroidery like polos and fleece jackets for companies, but I can also offer them branded mouse pads, branded mugs, gifts for their employees, promotional stuff. So these are great, and this is a great way. This heat press was super affordable. So overall, I think the Sublimation Printer did awesome. I do feel like this one, the colors are a smidge off, so I might switch it to photographic. Or maybe, I do feel like something, oh, I see. So if you look closely, there's like some kind of film right here. So I probably should have cleaned this off before. So next time I'll probably take a swab and swab it, or alcohol swab or something to clean it, make sure these are clean. But they did amazing. I am super impressed. So I plan on just doing logo mugs or monogram mugs, like cute little sayings, that sort of thing. I don't know how many like full color, like edge to edge designs I will do, because I personally don't like the white on this part. Let's see this one. Oh, the black looks incredible. Awesome. Look at that. Woo! Man, these are so shiny and nice. Double-sided. So yeah, I would say overall it did incredible. And I think this one was the only one that I'm not as happy with, but I think I had something on the mug. So just a word to the wise, make sure you just clean it and make sure there's nothing on your mugs before you press them. But I mean, it's so cute. What a cute teacher gift. What cute lower price point gifts to add to your shop. They could take the mug and fill it with, you know, a gift card, a Starbucks gift card, and some candy, and make a cute little gift for their teachers. Item to sell to your local businesses that you already do their embroidery for. You can sell them like a custom promotional branding package, make them some tote bags and some mugs and decals or stickers or something to give away at their events. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Learn with me. Let's evolve together and let's really expand our knowledge to make our businesses more profitable. So again, I will link everything I used today below, including the Heat Press Nation mug press and the Subli-Craft 11-ounce mugs, as well as the Sawgrass SG-1000 printer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Super informal. I like showing you my first tries of things because you're not going to get it right every time. You just got to keep trying new things, keep trying new techniques, figure out what works best for you, and you'll get so good at it. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on the way out, and make sure you hit subscribe. You do not want to miss some upcoming videos. Until next time, cheers!